What up, what up, what up, though, y'all? This your girl, Dubb. Welcome, everybody, to Tell From Beyond. Today, I got Spirit Court laid out for you. I got some cards here on my boards, and we're going to get to it. But first, I would like to shout out to Detroit, Michigan. The 313 is in the house. This is where we are recording this show from. What's up to all my Michiganders out there? Love ya. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the bell button at the top of the page and become a subscriber. If not, thank you for viewing the content. If it resonates with you, hit the thumbs up button so we can circulate the content, okay? And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so very much for being here and joining with me this morning, okay? Now, we've been going through this stuff. We've been learning a lot. I thank you so much. I just want to say that to my YouTube, man, y'all growing, and I appreciate y'all. So if you are new to here, if you are a new subscriber to this channel, what do we do here? We do the spiritual judgments stated in Revelation chapter 20, verses 11 through 15. The God's final judgment, true biblical prophecy, has started. You can reject it. You don't gotta acknowledge it if you don't want to. You will get left behind. Alright? So, now that we got that out the way, let's talk to this Capricorn here. Okay? This is a Capricorn young male. This is a young male in between the ages of 25 and 35. Or younger. He could be between the ages of 35 and 45. Who knows? Anyway, he is deceased. And this is his time in court. Okay? I am your girl, Dubb, a Capricorn, and the leader in this spiritual court case session. Alright. And his behind is crying, looking at these memories. Okay? However, he states through this yellow communication that he respects the courts. Bet it up. Alright. Let's get started. Off rip, he ain't learned nothing. Not a dang thing. I'm trying not to cuss because the audience is sensitive to curse words, and I got you. But his ass is guilty. Right there. Okay? Of lying. Envy. Ooh. Put that back. Theft of the moolah. He was stealing it. And he also states his cause of death. Boom. He RIP'd in a motorcycle accident. That's his cause of death. Motorcycle crash. He let me know off rip that his behind been in and out of jail here on Earth in the 3D. And that he died. Right here. He passed away. In devil energy. Okay? Also, the name of the motorcycle club he belonged to is this. Devil's Rejects. Alright. Let's talk to this man. He is a traditional black man. Boom. And like I said, he crying in court right now. Confessing these memories, though. Alright. He's not an enemy of God, though. So let's see what he's talking about. We know how you died. So start talking. Boom. Off rip, he said he won a contract. Alright. You asking the Most High God, yeah, he want to rebirth. You asking the Most High God to rebirth back to earth. Yeah, he talking. This is orange. Communication with action. Okay, it means he's speaking right now. What he remembers. Boom, boom. Alright. Well done. He said he was in and out of jail on earth. Because being in this motorcycle club, they would start a lot of conflict, fights, and trouble. Okay. You want to get your phone call, you need to make a phone call, you got that 1-1, you don't think you can rebirth? No, you damn sure wasn't following your intuition, bruh. He says he don't know nothing about spiritualism. Contemplating reverse. I'm sure you don't. Which means you detached from spirit. He want the Most High to look in his heart. Alright. I don't want to know about your daddy. You got options. He said he's not afraid of his judgment, but he's embarrassed looking at himself. His crimes. I understand. His family gonna hate to see this. Alright. Anything else you done did, bro? He wants to rebirth. I can't make it up. That's your main goal. Fine. We'll see if I can get it for you. Now take a look at your blood. And is there anything else you need to tell me? He says even though he was in and out of jail was mostly for fighting. And that he didn't cause bodily harm to nobody. These fights was fair. If your blood is pure, you can go. Check his blood, Adonis. Finna look at your blood. Is it clean? He said it too. Right there. When you come to court, you gotta take a look at yourself. You gotta look at yourself. See that? You gotta look at all the slow ass shit you done did on earth. And from past lifetimes too. See if you done learned your lesson. That's why you get sent back to earth. To learn your damn lessons. Bet it up. Yeah. Okay. I'll let you go. Thank you. You confessed all your memories from the past. Looked at your heart. No hate here. Good. You did cause conflict, though, with this fighting. Starting these fights. Don't get scared, Nick. Judgment is here. I'm going to re-rack these. You didn't learn your lesson, though. You passed away in double energy. But he confessed his memories. This is judgment. You confessed your memories. We see your detachment. You gotta work on that. For real. Bam. Alright. this right here. Work up on this. We gonna heal this. That's over with. See that? Gone. Boom. Bam. Done. Sorry. Okay. Need you to follow your intuition, man. And keep your wisdom in the Most High. Okay? I'm telling you this right now. This is what you being sent to. You got spiritual work to do. I got you a contract, bro. Alright? Bet. Finna rebirth you. You can Look. That was quick. You going back on a work contract, man. Okay? Oh, yeah. Alright. He didn't lie. He told the truth. No jail today, bruh. He told the truth. He told the truth. Alright. Let's get a popper. Got you. Got you. Got you. Mama. He says he love me, man. I love you too, bruh. Let's get you back to earth. You are to follow your intuition and keep it in the Most High God. Mama. Sagittarius. He happy as a jaybird, boy. Daddy. Gemini. You understand the provisions of your contract? Why you are being rebirthed back to earth? And keep your wisdom and your intuition and the Most High. Bet it up. Learn these laws, man. For real. Learn the spiritual laws, so. He said, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You welcome, bruh. Anything else? He happy. It's a happy day for him. Bet it up. Bet it up. Not finna let you be a star seed. You gotta work on this detachment. Get your ass out of here, bruh. If you know this Capricorn young man died in a motorcycle crash, he was with the devil's rejects. He came into court. He told me the truth. He didn't lie. He caused conflict, but not to the point of bodily harm, so I could forgive that, you know. He's being rebirthed back to earth on a work contract, man. Free. Man, this has been another one from your girl, Dubb. Make sure y'all get y'all's contracts, man. Watch these spirit courts. They help. Deuces.